Konnichiwa minasan, I'm back with another video. First of all, I would like to thank you for all the support you have shown me in the last video. It crossed 2000 views in just 24 hours. Secondly, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. Now, let's get into the video. As the title suggests, I'll be sharing some problems I face watching anime here in India. So, I'm from India and here anime is not that popular as it is overseas. Here it does not air on TV that much as it does in other countries. It's really a shame. Well, I was 11 years old when I started watching it. How, you may ask? Well, my cousin was a fan of Dragon Ball Z and he introduced me to it as it used to air on Cartoon Network India. It took me by storm and I started watching it regularly. When that time my problems began. First problem was that it aired about 10 p.m. at night and my mother didn't allow me to stay up that late sometimes, so I wasn't able to see it. It was really hard that your favorite show was being aired and you could not watch it. Well, I can't blame my parents as the time of its airing was really late. Secondly, here in India, they show really lame shows and that are literally knockoffs of Popeye the Sailor Man, in which he eats spinach and becomes powerful. One such example is Chota Bheem. In this show, the protagonist, Bheem, eats a laddu, which is a sweet of India, and is literally unhealthy if eaten more than usual. By eating that laddu, he gets powerful and defeats everyone. I mean, why? Like he's so overpowered that he has never lost a single time and never been beaten. Even if he's on the verge of being beaten, he regains his strength by eating a fucking laddu. Every episode is literally same. He meets a laddu and defeats his enemy. There is no variety in his fighting sequences. It is a hit in India as children love this show a lot here. And the worst part is that the makers of this show buy all the show time and torture us here in India with these shows and don't let any good shows to air. Or to be more precise, I should say they don't let anime to air. So, to watch our favorite anime, we have to take a Crunchyroll or Netflix subscription or just to go on pirated sites that does not support the official releases. Well, it is not that bad as the anime audience is increasing at a very good rate here in India. I'm not against these Indian cartoons, but they are just brainwashing small kids by showing them really bad cartoons with bad story. Well, I watch anime a lot, but there's another problem. Here in India, they think that anime is just a cartoon, but it pisses me off. As we all know, it's nothing like it. I have been made fun of by some of my friends that you are still a kid watching these cartoons and I should grow up now. Well, and same friends go in theaters and watch some shitty Bollywood movies which revolve around same love story of one boy and one girl falling in love. They fight but meet at the end. No offense, some Bollywood movies really are amazing, but others are just bullshit. Some compare anime to this Chota Bheem cartoon like, what the fuck man, are you out of your mind? Well, all I can say to you guys now is that just support this channel just so that we can create a community which can help build up some roots of anime here in India. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like. Also, you can comment what your favorite anime is and recommend some animes you think I haven't watched yet. Well, there are endless topics I can talk on how Indian otakus have to face so much here in India to watch anime, but that's for another video. Arigato gozaimasu.